G'day guys, welcome here today to yet another EXP Realty listing. I'm Mike Lowry.
And I'm Bjorn Kunzel, and today we'd like to welcome you to this amazing home at 7 Caspar Street in the heart of Fairview Park.
Set behind us is a beautifully renovated 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a beautiful in-ground swimming pool and shedding to boot. This one has everything you need. Let's go check it out.
I tell you what, Mike, I'm impressed because this one is loaded with extras.
Absolutely. Do you know what I reckon? This one will make a splash.
And you know what I think? You will too. We'll see you at the open.